Guys, this is the video you've been requesting for, the one candlestick strategy on scalping and day trading. I'm going to show you how you can use the one candlestick strategy to do your day trades and also to scalp. Be sure to watch from the beginning to the end, because if you skip the video and then you start skipping it, you'll miss some of the important parts that you need to learn to be able to use this strategy effectively. Now, without wasting any time, if you're new here, please do leave a like, subscribe, and also comment down below with your questions. Now, without wasting time, let's get started, guys. Let's go onto the charts now. Just for you who have not watched the full course, just this is the basic illustration of the one candlestick strategy. Now here we are going to do the 1 hour marking and 5-minute scalping or day trading setup. Each of these candles that you're looking at here, the green one is a 1 hour candle and the red one is a 1 hour candle in reverse, okay? So the setup is, after we've done our markings, marking the close of the candle and the low of the candle for a bullish setup, and the high of the candle and the close of the candle for a bearish setup, we are just waiting for the candle on the next 1 hour candle to pull back into this area here, just slightly, or just come and reject this area. Then you can get a setup using confirmation candlesticks like bullish engulfing candles or any other candlesticks that you see, like rejection wick candles, dojis, and all that. You can use that to get your entry, okay? I teach that in a full course that I'll leave at the end of this video. Please watch this video till the end without skipping, and then go and watch that full course. Now, I don't want to make this video too long. This video is for you guys who asked me to show you how you can use this on a 1 hour candle, to scalp on the 5-minute chart, or to day trade on the 5-minute chart or 15-minute chart. So here we have our markings done like this, okay? So I'm just going to take you straight to give you a bullish setup example. Then I'll later on also give you a bearish setup example. So here I have marked already the bullish candle. What you want to do is you want to make sure that the candles are printing higher prices, okay? You can do this by using like a 20-period moving average just to help you understand where the market trend is going for intraday timeframes like the 1 hour chart. So you want to wait for the candles to be above the 20-period moving average, as you can see right here, okay? This is a 20-period moving average. Let me just show you that. You can see this is a 20-period moving average. Make sure it's on your chart to help you understand where the trend of the market is at the moment, okay? So after you've done this, you have to mark your candles close for a bullish candle, candles close, and then the candles low. And then in between is where this purple area is, okay? This purple area is in between the close of the bullish candle and its low. So within the purple zone, or close or near it, that's where we're looking for candlestick confirmations to continue this bullish momentum, so that we can get an entry to go higher, okay? Now, if the market comes and breaks below this low, the low line of this candle, we don't take that trade. We wait for the candle that is bullish for us to get another setup, okay? So that is what you need to keep in mind. So here we've marked this on the 1 hour chart. As you can see right here, this is a 1 hour chart. So now we are going to go down to the 5-minute chart so that we can get our entries around here, right? So we are now on the 5-minute chart. We are on the 5-minute chart. So as you can see, the moving average is still still below the price, and this is the purple area which we drew on the 1 hour chart. We are now on the 5-minute chart, as you guys can see, 5 minutes. So we want to wait for the market to pull back into this purple zone or give us rejection candles around here for us to take a long position. So let me just play along and then we see what happens. Okay, we wait. The market is gone away from the purple zone. So we wait. Okay, now the market has come into the purple zone and it's given us this rejection wicks. You can take a trade here, or you wait for the market to come back down below the purple zone or into the purple zone to give you a more confident entry, okay? So let's see. Okay, now you can see the market has come in aggressively into the purple zone, and it has also gone below the moving average. So the next candle that goes above the moving average from the purple zone, as long as it's a bullish candle, that is our entry signal where we can enter. There you go. This is the candle where we can enter. So we could enter here, we place our entry here, and then our stop loss is going to be below these candles, below this range, okay? And then our target is going to be a 1 to 2. Always try to target a 1 to 2 in your trading. Don't just trade without managing risk and getting a good reward. Okay, so let's play along and see how this will play out. Okay, all right, you can see we reach take profit very fast. This is the principle that you have to use if you're going to scalp. Now here, this trade lasted about, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4. This trade lasted 20 minutes. This is a 20 minutes trade and you're out of the market. You're done for the day. When you win a trade, don't go and look for other setups within the same day. Let that day go. It's a profitable day. Come back the next day and look for more setups. So now we're going to look for a bearish example so that you can see that this works on bearish and bullish markets. Okay, this is a bearish setup. As you can see, the moving average is above the price. Okay, and this is a bearish candle. So I have marked its high and I've marked its close, and I've put a purple zone or a tradable zone in between those two lines. If the price goes and breaks above this top white line, we don't take that setup, we wait for another one. If the price remains within the purple zone, pulls back inside or just near the purple zone and gives us confirmations to sell, then we can jump in on a sell. So let's go down to the 5-minute chart so that we can see the opportunities that would have gotten right here. Okay, so here is the purple zone and this is the same area you can see. So I want to pull this up a bit so that we can be able to follow along. So let me play along. What we want now is for the price to pull into the purple zone and give us some rejections and a candlestick confirmation for us to sell the market. So let us play along and see. That is the confirmation candle. This is a very huge bearish candle. You can take your trade right here. I could put my entry right here and the stop loss above this range. And then you are looking for a target of 1 to 2. Always look for a 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio in your trading like this. You can take this trade or you can put this above the moving average just to be safe and then target a 1 to 2. Always make sure your risk is less than your reward. Your reward is twice your risk. So let's play this along and see how this would play out. Okay, we get some drawdown, pushing now. We're pushing now. Okay, market comes back up, rejects the moving average, pushing lower. Okay, there we go. Okay, and our trade reaches take profit. Okay, you can see reaches take profit. This is how you can day trade and scalp using the 1 hour 1 candlestick strategy. You guys have been asking me for this, and this is how you do it. If you like this video, please give a like, subscribe to the channel, and also comment down below. And for those of you guys who have been asking me for the VIP signals, you can send me a WhatsApp using the WhatsApp number in the description, and then you can join the team that is receiving VIP signals on their WhatsApp. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Until next time, peace and out.